while, I have a patient who comes in with very non-specific knee pain. So they haven't done anything to hurt their knee. It's just that their knee has started to hurt for no reason. Maybe they've done a little more biking, maybe they've done a little bit more running, but they haven't done anything to specifically cause any trauma to the knee. And so they're kind of confused as to what's going on with the knee. So one of the tests that I use to see what's happening is just a simple one-legged squat. And essentially what I want to see when the patient does a one-legged squat is I want to see if their patella or their kneecap is tracking through the second toe of their foot as they go down into a squat. And what we often see with people who get this knee pain that comes and goes is that instead of tracking nicely through that second toe, the knee is falling inwards. So it's going this way instead of nice and straight. And so what that tells me is that biomechanically the hips are weaker than they should be, the medial quad is weaker than it should be, and so the knee joint, the bones, are not being supported by the muscles. And when the joints are not being supported by muscles, it causes more wear and tear on the joint. If we can strengthen the muscles around the knee, most of non-specific knee pain actually goes away because now the muscles are doing their job and there's no pressure on the joint and it's not getting irritated for no reason. So one of the main exercises that I give to patients with this kind of pain is the clamshell exercise. So I have them lay on their side, ankles together, and it's just a simple opening and closing. I warn my patients that they should not be doing this too quickly, so one of these. And as soon as they start to see their pelvis open up, that means they've gone too far. So it's just a small little open and close. We do both sides, and when it becomes too easy, so let's say they do 3 sets of 10 and they're finding that, oh, this is really easy, they can either increase the amount of sets and reps, or you can add a TheraBand to make it a little bit harder to do it against resistance. And of course, again, this is done on both sides. Regardless which knee is hurting, I always get them to do both sides, both legs.